Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure mobile security with Lookout, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Lookout app on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, download Lookout from the App Store. Once installed, tap to open the app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select Get Started to begin the setup process. Create an account by entering your email address. Choose a strong password to secure your account. After entering your details, tap Sign Up. Lookout will prompt you to grant necessary permissions. Allow access to your device's location. This ensures the app can function effectively in case of theft. Next, grant access to your contacts for better security. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable these permissions. Once permissions are set, you'll see the main dashboard. Explore the features available on your dashboard. To configure mobile security, look for the Security section. Tap on Security to access protection settings. You will find options like Malware Scan and Wi-Fi security. Select Malware Scan to initiate a scan of your device. Wait for the scan to complete and review the results. If threats are found, follow the recommendations to fix them. Next, navigate to the Wi-Fi security option. This feature protects your device from insecure networks. Turn on Wi-Fi security to receive alerts for unsafe connections. You can also enable identity theft protection. This monitors your personal information online. Select Identity Theft Protection and follow the setup prompts. Finally, explore additional features like Backup and Find My Device. Set up device backups to safeguard your important data. Enable Find My Device to locate your phone in case it's lost. Review all settings to ensure they align with your preferences. Once everything is configured, exit the app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.